Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today is day 31 of my LeetCode 75 study plan series, and today we are solving a very important linked list problem, and the problem is the reverse linked list, LeetCode number 206. This is one of the most famous linked list interview question. In this video, we will learn about the array approach, optimal pointer approach, and dry run about the step by step and full JavaScript code explanation we will see, and also discuss the time and space complexity in this. So let's start and read the problem statement. Here, just a one line. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. So we are given the head of a singly linked list, means a normal linked list, and we need to reverse the linked list and return the new head. Like here, example is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we reverse it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If there is 1, 2, then 2, 1. So it's very simple. The linked list direction becomes reverse here. So our first approach here is the using the array data structure. Means before writing the code, let me means simplify this. What we do here, we just simply traverse the linked list and store all these values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an array, and means in an array, then traverse again on a linked list and replace values in the reverse order. So this is a very easy for the beginners also, because arrays are simple to use. Everyone knows arrays, but linked list is a level up data structure. So some beginners may be stuck in that. So this approach is use extra space, but it is good for the understanding. And don't worry, I will explain the pro approach, means the updated optimized approach also without using the array in this video also. So stay tuned. So let me write the code here. The first one is the very simple by using the array format. So let me write here. First, let temporary array is a means a blank array. Then this array will store all the node value. Then let temporary linked list and it store the head. Means we create a temporary pointer, and this help us to traverse the linked list. Means instead of directly traversing the main head or modify the main head, we use this temporary linked list pointer and just copy this. I hope you know the deep copy and shallow copy. So they means just take that pointer, and now start a while loop while temporary linked list is not equal to null. Means this run until the linked list end, and we have to just push temporary array dot push temporary linked list dot value, and I get this val from this function linked list list node. It has the val and the next as the pointer. So don't be confused how I get this val. And we store the current node value inside the array every time, and we also move to the next node. But how? Just say temp linked list is equal to temp linked list dot next. By this we just move to the next node, and after traversal, our in the temporary array we have the values like 1, 2, 3, 4 as this a normal array. So again we have to reset this temporary linked list. So because why I am saying we reset, because now the temporary linked list is reached at the null value. So again we have to write here let not let temporary linked list is equal to head, and means again start from the beginning and just initialize a index, that is a temporary value length dot -1. Means we start from the last index of an array of this array, this temporary, just a normal index. I write here temporary the array length array dot length -1, and I get the index. Now again start a while loop, means start a while loop here while temporary linked list is not equal to null, and here I just have to replace the value temporary linked list dot value is equal to temporary array of index, and means replace the current node value using the reverse array value, and index minus minus, so we move backward inside the array, means 5 at 5 index, 4 index, 3 index, 2 index and 1 index, and it runs until the temporary linked list not equal to null, and move forward in the linked list, just right here temporary linked list is equal to temporary linked list dot next. So by this I just get the all the values here and finally return the head. And in the last video also, in this problem, let me show you, in the odd even linked list we will use the same approach. We will traverse the linked list by while loop like this also, and also use this head pointer, means pointer wise, so you know how what I am saying. And now return the reverse linked list here and let's run this solution. So they are totally simple, just a normal difference is that we are reversing here in this problem, and in that last problem we are give the odd even. So yes, it accepted and all the test cases are passed here, means all the 28 test cases are passed and it is totally perfect. There is no issue, but in the interview they may be asked you the time complexity and space complexity for this solution. And if we calculate the time complexity, that is the big O n, just a normal to while loop, not any nested or any something else. And space complexity, if they ask, we use the extra array here, and space complexity so becomes here is a big O n. And now interviewer says can you optimize this solution to the big O one space complexity, means without using any extra space, then what you can do. So for that, let's learn the best solution for that, for this. So this one is like optimal pointer approach. We use the pointer. Let me comment this solution, and now let's write the real interview solution. Means we reverse the actual links. Like here I have this 1, 2, 3, 4. In linked list, how I write 1, 2, and these are the arrows 3, 4 and 5. But they in this they are asking me reverse the linked list, and what I did in the last solution in this array format, I just copy the value and means replace the value here. But instead of that, if I did here like remove the pointer, means move the pointer backward 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, means change the direction of this pointer, then the linked list becomes a reverse linked list. So in that case I did not need no extra array needed here. So interview asks this one, means without using any extra space, use means just reverse these pointers, these arrows, not the values. So let's see what we can do. So for that problem, means for that we need the 3 pointers, means that one the previous, current and next node, 3 variables. And why these variables? Previous store the previous node, like here one is a, here previous is the null, here previous is the 1, here previous is the 2, here previous is the 3, here previous is the 4. And current node store the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next node store the next node temporary, like for the 1 next node is like 2, 3, 4, 5. For the 2 there is 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and for the 4 value there is 5. So because after reversing the link we might lose the next node. If we see here, I have this normal one, this normal linked list. If I make the connection like this means this becomes the null here and the connection breaks here. So how can I access these value? So for that reason I need the next node here. So first we save it, then we means change that. So here initial values previous is the null because there is no value behind this one. Current value here is the 1 and next node is the 2, 3 and 4. These 2, 3 and 4. So save the next node here is the 2. I means we need the 2 here, node 3, 4. These are automatically comes by pointer. Now we reverse the link. Now means move the pointer. Previous value here become 1 and current value become 2 and next node becomes the 3 here. Means first we have to save the next node. First do the save the next node, then initialize the previous, second initialize the previous, and third use the current. And here I have to just means I get the previous the 1, current is 2. Now reverse the link, means I get the null 1, 2. Now move the pointer again 2 and here 3. Continue same process for this, means 2, 3, 4, then 3, then 4, then 5 and until the this one becomes null. And let's write the code. You may be you might be you can easily understand at that time. So here first we have to declare the 3 variables. Previous is equal to null. Let current is equal to head, means the first value, and also with while start a while loop so we can traverse this one. Current is not equal to null, means runs until the current value is not equal to null. Why? Because first is the 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then here the 5 and it becomes the null here, means then it's become 4 and it's become 5, then 5 and it's become null because there is null value always present at the end of this. So we have to just current is not equal to null. Initialize the third pointer, next node is equal to current dot next. Here why I write current dot next? By using the current node next I get the 2 value here, then 3, then 4, then 5, and these are the linked list, not an array, so they have the pointer, so they connect all these things. Now I store the next node, then current dot next is equal to previous value, means I just replace the value, and previous is equal to current and current equal to next node. And in last we have to reverse the previous. Why previous? Because previous is the null value here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So return the previous, because in last if we see initial value is the null, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. 5 is the final of this value of this head. Now 5 is pointing 4, then 4 is pointing 3, then 3 is pointing 2, then 2 is pointing 1, and 1 is pointing to the null. So what I want from this solution, means I already want this 5 pointing to 4, 4 pointing to 3, 3 pointing to 2, 2 pointing to 1. That is my desired output, and let's run this solution. I know this becomes some confusion for you, but when you write this on a notebook and take pen and paper and write this and do a play with this, just writing, you get the exact answer. I means what I am saying. So here previous is equal to null initially, and initial previous node is null because first reverse code should point to the null value, and then we have the current is equal to head, means current pointer start from the head value, and it runs until the linked list head, means while current is not equal to null, and then we initialize a next node that save the next node, current dot next value, means next pointer value. And it's a very important line here, this one, the 36 that I highlight here, means otherwise link will be lost if I did not store that. Means just think about the reversing or that means by using the temporary value, how can we revert? So that is the same, swapping the value. In the simple coding language, simple problems you might be learn about is swapping the two array or values in an array. So that is the same thing. And then we store the current dot next is equal to previous, means reverts the current node link, and previous is equal to current, and means move the previous one step ahead, and current is equal to next node, move current one step ahead. So loop continue until the current becomes null, and so we means return the previous. Here time complexity here is the big of n, so single while loop, and space complexity here is the big of 1 because we are not using any extra space. That is why this is the optimal solution, and interview asks this type of solution, accept this type of solution from you. And today we solve the reverse linked list using the two approaches. First one is the store value in an array, and then second approach is using the reverse actual pointers, and it's the most optimal solution, best for interviews. And that is for day 31 of the LeetCode 75 study plan series. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, and comment your approach if you have something new or any doubt, and subscribe to JDCodebase. Also share this series with your friends who are preparing for coding interviews. I will see you in the next video.